Here in this demo, I will demonstrate how to change the UI of the project by editing the preference. As example, the image, and I change the padding. I will reflect the changes in real time on the preview. Using the SwiftUI, we can run the application right inside the Xcode and see how it works. Before we add two more elements, first we need to add a stack that will place it horizontally. We use it H stack with a spacing of 10 pixels. The first element will be our button. The button that I create require actions and the content that will be presented. For the action, I will use a application open URL, and I place twitter.com as a URL to open. And the content, it will be just a text. Be sure that URL have a strong reference by adding the exclamation mark. When you save the file, the UI will refresh automatically and represent the button as a text, and we can run it and see how it works on a simulator. By pressing on the button, we can open the browser, and this is what we try to achieve. For the next step, be sure you have icons that you can add in the assets. Currently I have two of them for Facebook and Twitter, and I will use it to change the content of the buttons. To change the button content, I will just replace the text with the image, and the first parameter will be the name of the image in the assets. For the second button, I will just reuse the same text, except the URL will be changed to Facebook and the icon will be changed to icon Facebook. When saving the changes, the new build will be presented. On that build, the UI will present two buttons right now, where the buttons are the icons, and we can change the spacing, for example, to make it look a little bit better. And we can run it on real simulator by calling run button. Thank you for your attention and have a good day.